And this is Trial Jansen Instructor, and this is our Part 2 M1 Summative Assessment. The purpose of my meal plan is to ensure that I am fueling my body with a balanced combination of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. By following a structured meal plan, I aim to optimize my performance in both cognitive and task and physical exercise. Maybe 1,500 or 200 calories. I take every day because I want to have a balanced diet and balanced and healthy body. When considering whether to recommend my meal plan to someone else, there are several factors to take into account. Firstly, my meal plan is tailored specially to my own dietary needs and preference. Therefore, what works for me may not necessarily work for someone else. Secondly, individual lifestyles and activity levels play a significant role in determining the appropriateness of a meal plan. Lastly, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before embarking on any new diet negative. Creative and effective meal plan is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. By carefully selecting a nutritious foods and balancing micronutrients, individuals can ensure they are meeting their daily dietary needs. A well thought out meal plan can also help with weight management and improve overall health. It is important to consider individual preference and dietary restrictions when crafting a meal plan to ensure it is sustainable and enjoyable.